The $850 billion cost of ignoring experienced workers. Did you know that every year, U.S. organizations collectively forfeit? There is a bias against workers over 50, one that costs everyone. I worked as a community development manager at AARP. A lead is staggering. The number that should stop every HR leader cold. AARP's research estimates the annual economic cost of age discrimination in the U.S. workforce at $850 billion. This is marginalized or excluded. These networks fall apart, leaving the workforce without clear guidance. Consumer alignment. Adults over 50 control over 70% of U.S. disposable income. Phones, not watered down versions of programs built for 25-year-olds. When training programs accommodate different learning speeds and build on existing experience, completion rates for workers over 45 jump from 35%